Are you thinking about replacing your older computer because it's just not as fast as it used to be? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how a simple hard drive upgrade and some additional RAM can extend the life of your computer and dramatically boost its performance. Hi, I'm Tony, and if this is your first time with us, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that little bell so that you're alerted to when I release new content. So I just recently updated a client's 2012 27-inch iMac. I replaced the hard drive with an SSD drive, and I upped the memory from 8 gig to 24 gig. Now, I didn't record the actual process because there are a ton of videos on YouTube that show how this is done. If you're interested, just search how to replace my iMac's hard drive. Be sure to specify the year and model of your iMac. So just to see if upgrading this computer had any significance on its performance, I did some tests of the startup time before, during, and after the upgrade. The results were so dramatic, I wanted to share them with you even though I did not record the process. That being said, let's hop over to the computer and take a look. Okay guys, so I have the results on the screen from 3 different tests that I ran. Now prior to running the test, I just want to let you know that I cloned the internal startup drive over to the SSD drive. If you're interested in seeing a video on how I did that, let me know down in the comments below. The purpose of running these 3 tests was to determine if there was any significance in upgrading this computer. So I wanted to see how long it took from the actual startup chime until the accounts appeared on the computer screen. I plugged in the SSD drive externally using a USB port on the back of the computer, and you can see the startup time significantly decreased by 1 minute and 2 seconds from 2:42 to 1 minute and 40 seconds. So the reason I went from 8 gig to 24 gig is because the computer had 2 more available memory slots. I was trying to keep costs to a minimum, so I bought a 16 gig upgrade kit. So you can see upgrading to the 24 gig of memory, both drives increased performance and startup significantly. 1 minute and 23 seconds for the internal drive, 28 seconds for the externally connected SSD drive. And in the final test, still at 24 gigs, I did not test the HDD drive anymore because I removed it and installed the SSD drive internally into the machine, and you can see the results here. The startup was 15 seconds. Looking at the original test results of the internal HDD, a startup time of 2 minutes and 42 seconds, as opposed to the third and final test where the SSD was installed internally with the startup time of 15 seconds, says to me that this upgrade, for the little bit of money that we did spend, was well worth the investment. So that was really impressive. Now remember, based on the age of your computer and its specs, your mileage will vary. However, if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out some of my other videos up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share, and use those Amazon affiliate links. I know they don't change your price, but they do help out the channel. My name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. As always, I thank you for watching. See you next time.